In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Snapchat dark mode just like this. So, first you need to check if you have the option for Snapchat dark mode, as not everyone has it as of now, but it is slowly being rolled out to everyone. And then we will go through how to get it if you don't have the option afterwards. So, to check if you have this feature, go to Snapchat obviously and go to your profile by pressing your Bitmoji at the top left of the screen. And then at the top right, press the settings icon. Once the settings come up, scroll down to the bottom of the My Account section, and if you do have this feature, you'll see App Appearance here. Now, don't worry if you don't see this, and I'll show you a couple of ways that you can increase your chances of getting this feature, but if you have it, just press on it and 3 options will come up. Match system, which will match the color of your iOS device's preferences or your Android device preferences. So I have mine on light mode in iOS, so it's light. Always light is how Snapchat has always looked and is the same as if you have your phone on light mode. And always dark looks like this, where the text turns white and the background is black, which is probably what you want. But what if you don't have this feature? So there are a couple of ways that you can check or do to increase your chances of getting dark mode, and Snapchat choose people to test this with based on specific phone models, locations and certain updates, so I can't guarantee this will work for everyone, but it's worth a try. But anyway, so first you should check that your phone is up to date, and to do this, go to settings, scroll down to general and tap that. Then go to software updates, and if your phone is up to date, it should say iOS is up to date. Next, check that Snapchat is up to date by going to the App Store and going to search and searching for Snapchat. If it just says open, that means your Snapchat might be up to date, but to double check, just press on Snapchat again and it might now say update just like mine did. And once it's updated, you can check if you have the feature. Now, if that didn't work, next you can try deleting the app by going to your homepage and holding down the app and go down the drop box and press remove app. But I'm not going to do that as I can't remember my login details and won't be able to log back in. But if you want to do this, when it's removed, just open up the App Store, go to the search tab at the bottom right and search for Snapchat and just reinstall it. Once it's downloaded, just log back in and check if you have it. Now, if these 2 ways didn't work, next thing you should try is using a VPN. So to do this, just open up the App Store again and instead search for VPN and find and download VPN Proxy Unlimited, which is the one that I use all the time and is the one that I find that works the most. It has around 23k reviews. Anyway, once that's downloaded, open it up from the home screen and it should look like this. So just press accept and continue, and if any ads or anything come up asking you to pay for premium, this is a free app, so just close it. Okay, so once you get here, just press fastest location and choose a location. Now, you might want to try different locations, but the best ones to try first would be the US servers. So just press a US server, and I'm going to choose US Chicago, and more servers will come up. You can test with more of these afterwards, but I'm just going to choose 8. Now it will take you here and just press the button in the middle and it will ask you to add a VPN connection. So just press yes and now you should be connected. To check if you're still connected once you've exited the app, just go to your control center and you should see a little VPN logo, which means you are connected. Now just go and open Snapchat and check if you have it in your settings and app appearance. Now, if you don't have it after all of this, I'm afraid you will just have to wait for this feature to be available to you, and that's about all you can do. And that's it. So if you have any further questions, or suggestions, leave them down below in the comments and I'll try and help you out. But if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, as it helps to get this video out to more people. And don't forget to let me know in the comments if this is still working. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.